All right, I'm doing this a little differently. Before I dive into the DIY, I wanted to show you basically the supplies you're gonna need. So I'm just using these pillows that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna untuft it here. And then I just wanted small pillows for a bench that I have. So I'll be using these as my pillow forms. And then I picked up 2 packs. These are 5 packs of fabric from Walmart. And the size are, let's see, 18 inches by 21 inches each piece. And I'm glad I read the directions because I was going to just throw all these in the wash. And look what it says first thing. Do not pre-wash. So yay for reading directions. So I'm not going to pre-wash these according to the directions. Okay, never worked with this before. So this is sticky back for fabrics and it's Velcro. So this is what will make your pillowcase removable, is you'll have a little Velcro thing that you can pull open and close to pull the pillow form out and then wash it. Never used it before, don't really know, but it says it's permanent, that you can wash it, withstands washing. So I'm curious to try that. And then I picked up this one. This is the fabric fuse. So basically on the sides, you're going to put this down, and again, it's a permanent adhesive, so you don't need an iron for it. And it says you can launder and everything else. So basically when you do your pillowcase inside out, you'll put this and then fold it and it makes the sides go together. This I've had, this is just typical heat and bond. You have to use an iron for this one. So I was going to try this one because it doesn't involve an iron. So we'll see if it works. I guess I won't really truly know until I wash it for the first time. But yeah, so that's what I picked up for the project, and that's all you need. No hot glue needed for this one. Just your fingers, I guess, and some scissors to cut that. So let's get into the DIY. The first thing I'm going to do is cut off the tags on the pillows. I did try to rip them, but it wouldn't rip. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and just kind of push the thread in the center of each pillow where it's tufted and snip that, and it'll come right undone. I'm going to measure my pillows so I know how big to make my pillowcases, and all I'm going to do is take my tape measure and stretch it across the pillow, the left side hem to the right side hem, and then I'm going to add an inch for each side, so I'll end up adding a total of 2 inches to what this measurement is. So it basically works out to be 13 by 15, and both of these pillows are the same size, so that worked out nicely. If you end up picking up these from Dollar Tree, that's what size you can make your pillowcase. And a nice thing about working on brown craft paper is you can just write it down on the paper just like that. And I did want to quickly just show you the 5 different fabrics that came in this pack. And these are flannel, by the way, in case I didn't mention that. But I just thought the different patterns were great and they all go very nicely together. And so these are the 4 that I didn't choose, and I'm going to end up using the red and black checked. And then I will also end up using the plaid one. Then you need to go ahead and cut your fabric down, and so what I ended up doing was just cutting 4 pieces of fabric that all measured 13 by 15. The fun part. So what you want to do is turn your fabric good side into each other, and I'm going to start with this peel and stick. I'm just kind of reading over the directions to make sure I know what I'm doing, and it's really as simple as it sounds and appears. So you're basically going to open this up, and then I'm just going to go along 3 of the sides with this. One side is super sticky, so that's the side that you will put down, and then you will peel off the other part and then push the fabric down. So you'll see me do that in a second. I don't really know. Right now I'm trying to figure out where I want to start, but I mean, it's not rocket science really. You just need to pick a corner, Courtney. So that's what I did. So like I said, you're just going to go ahead and take it and work down one side. Kind of smush it down. I do end up getting one of my Cricut tools and I kind of roll over it and smush it down like if you have a credit card or gift card, just to kind of make sure it's pushed down really good. And then trim it off. And then I'm just going to do one side at a time, like I said, so 3 sides. And then when I get to the 4th side, I'm going to be doing the Velcro on that. So here I'm just peeling back the paper and you probably made that process a little more painful than it needed to be, but here again, once you get that first piece in, then you can just simply smush down the fabric and voila, it is good to go. Then what I like to do is take my scissors and I go and cut all of the corners of my pillowcase. That just helps it when you turn it inside out to not have these super pointy corners on your pillows. I don't really like that. I like them more rounded. So that is why I do that. And then I can kind of pull it out all the way and get it to look right. So anyway, once this is done, I'm going to turn it inside out and then I will be ready to put my Dollar Tree pillow inside. Here's what the seams look like. Like, it literally looks like it's been sewn and it's super sturdy. I kind of yanked on it, so I'm very happy with how this turned out. There's no glue seeping out anywhere, so I think it looks really good. I ended up making a total of 3 pillows, 2 of these small, and then I went ahead and made a large pillow with some of this present fabric. That again is from Walmart, and I just stuffed it with stuffing, but very easy to do. It took no time at all. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you like Christmas DIYs, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to stay tuned for some DIY shoutouts. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!